So I was asking my niece what she wanted for Christmas, and she said bunk beds. And I thought, oh, that's a bit unusual, but apparently my brain said yes, and let's turn this into a mini room makeover. So let's go. Let's make over my niece Lily's room. Why not? It's not like I haven't got a, 10 projects on the go that were meant to be done yesterday. Sure, let's... Why do I do this to myself? Are you ready? Let's go. I've checked with Lily's mum, and what she really wants is a loft bed so she can chill underneath. I've decided I want to go for this cute rose pink colour with a scallop detail and add mustard as an accent colour. I'll try and find lots of different decor pieces to layer everything and make it look cohesive. I got her mum to measure the space so I could do a quick layout and make sure everything is going to fit. All right, let's talk budget. I could spend $940 on one piece, but you know that this girl is balling on a budget. So I'd rather scroll Facebook Marketplace and get as much as I can for as little cost as possible. Okay, so I've just managed to score a whole leg loft bed with wardrobe and desk for free. All right, let's go. All right, I'm loaded up to capacity. How am I going to get the cats home for Christmas? After about 20 more trips picking up marketplace bargains, I jumped in the car and headed home for this makeover to arrive just in time for Christmas. I've managed to get it all home in my car, on my car, everywhere around my car. Let's put this together. That's not how you do transitions, Nicole. All right, these are done. Well, that's not because we're going to be able to fit it through the door, but it's time to go. Today's the day. I'm so tired, but we're going to do this. Let's go. Okay, I'm finally all packed up, got everything on the trailer ready to take up to Lily's place. I've got my favourite baguette that they've been selling for 22 years at Tom, Dick and Harry's, the satay bacon avo greens, absolute winner. ADHD meds have kicked in and I'm finally focused and ready to go. All right, here is Miss Lily's room. Okay, so I've got this ginormous dollhouse that my mum gave her last year. Little bed under the window. I got lots of toys and a nice big dresser. And so the bed's gonna go along this wall. I'm gonna put some new curtains up here. Maybe put the dresser over there if it'll fit. Desk here. See if this will fit under the bed. Might not, but anyway, that's fine. And yeah, see if we've got space for these two under the bed. All right, but it's all about getting lots of height up here so she can play under here as well. And I'll take those curtains all the way to the ceiling so that that gives the room height as well to make it feel bigger. All right, let's get all this stuff cleaned up as much as we can so I've got enough space to start painting. First things first, we are going to look for any holes or any peeling paint. Just give a little bit of spackle whilst up in the bag. Joint compound, I should say. This is not spackle. There we go, just just a little bit proud. And also have to clean the walls. That's just behind the TV. Her walls are actually very clean. Just need to do a little bit of dusting everywhere, fill all those holes, and we'll just get all the dust from around the skirting boards. Yeah, it's a nice clean room anyway, easy to paint. Let's check out our paint colors. Are we ready? Boom. Very exciting. White. But here is the big color. Oh, ooh, that's a pretty pink. All right. I'm going to start with the white. So let's put this back on. Give this a stir. Here is my little tip for making sure you don't get paint everywhere. I've tried the tape trick, don't like it. When I'm cutting in, I just use a cup with a handle and I use a ladle. So I'm just gonna help me there. Okay, to do my scallop edging, I'm going to use the trick of just a plastic plate and some painter's tape. I'm going to pop it right across the middle. And then I'm going to mark up arrows so I know which edge to always face up. Alrighty, now we can put this on the wall. It's Peppa Pig, by the way. I'm sure she'll be happy with that. Now to go around the corners, I need a template that's cardboard so I can fold it. So just gonna get it exactly where the green line is. And cut this out. Okay, and we use this. Start here. Only my line went all the way to the edge. All right, green line. And first scallop. If I can get my technique right. I'm still a bit terrible at this, but alrighty. It's a fairly loaded brush. Getting that one side off. Starting in the middle. And I've got my elbow against the wall to give myself stability as I go around. Okay, now same again. This is the bit that doesn't work very well. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Getting better. Look, it doesn't matter if it's not perfect. It's a room. Who cares? Okay, it is the next day. I only got the painting done yesterday, but that is okay. I always knew it would take 2 days. I just like to pretend that it'll take 1 to give myself a bit more time. All right, so I've put everything over there, cleaned up the floor. Now it's time to bring the bed in and assemble that. And then we can sort of put some of this underneath to be able to bring in the other things. And then we can start styling. I'm so excited for the styling. Are you ready, Lily? All right. Oh, are your eyes closed? Are your eyes closed? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3! Oh my gosh! Have a little look at everything. Yeah. Fairy lights. So pretty. And a new desk. Oh my gosh!
And a new brush and a new fan.
Oh wow!
And a light and a new bunk bed.
A bunk bed. Do you want to have a look at your bunk bed? All right, go on up. What do you think? Oh, nice and high. Oh. And you have a little cloud night light over there that you can turn on and off. You've got your own switch. If you get scared and you want to turn the light on, you can. And what's up here?
Oh, I'm using that.
And then what about over here? Have you seen you have a wardrobe now? What's in your wardrobe? Oh, a place to put your shoes. And is this a good spot for your dollhouse? Yeah. You've got plenty of space to sit under here and play dollies, play house. You can play your Xbox up here. Oh, wow. And a lamp.
And a chair.
Oh, yeah, a new chair. What do you think about the color? It's good. And then what about your window? Where's your window?
Yeah.
What's new there? Yeah. Wow, are you excited to be able to have a mirror so you can do your makeup? Yeah, and then over here I've put a PowerPoint so that if you have like hairstyling tools or you want to plug your iPad, or if one day you have a phone, you can plug them in so that you can have them in bed. Oh, it does say Lily. What do you think? Are you happy with your new room, Lil?
Yummy.
Merry Christmas, Miss Lily. And I hope this is a special one just for you. Can I have a hug?
What is my elf doing?
I don't know. He helped me, I guess. Merry Christmas, darling. We finally made it. It's now Christmas Eve and I am absolutely exhausted, but I can't rest now. I'm gonna go and wrap everyone's presents. Maybe I'll take a nap first since you get to like and subscribe.